Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a YouTube intro on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Canva, and after opening the Canva, we have to search the YouTube intro here. So I'm going to write the YouTube intro. So let's write that. And then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will get a lot of options here. You just have to choose that which design you want. As you can see now, you have to choose the options according to your need, according to your channel's niche. For example, I'm going to click on this option, or you can also choose this one here. So for example, I'm going to click on this. And now simply what we have to do, we have to go to this option which is called customize this template. So let's click on the customize this template. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, we are redirected to the editing mode. So if you want to change the text, you can also do that. As you can see, these pages are also provided here. Welcome to my channel. And as you can see, this is also provided here if you want to change the information. Like as you can see, for example, I'm gonna change the name here, Safir and Raza. As you can see, professional gamer, whatever you want. And if you want to edit the image, you can also do that. You have to go to the upload section. You have to click on the upload files, and you have to choose the image. For example, I'm going to choose this image here just for the example. For example, as you can see now, the image is uploading here. Now simply we have to drag this image here, and as you can see now, image is changed. If you want to change this, you can also do that. After doing these all changes, you simply, if you want to change the text color, you can also do that. You have to click on this. I'm going to make it white. And after doing these all changes, now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the share option, and then we have to click on the download option. And after clicking on the download option, we have to choose the format here, and then we have to click on the download. And after clicking on this, the video downloading process will be started. So in this way, you can make a YouTube intro on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.